So that's why you get the clean shot in there. There's a shut-off valve. So when it actuates over 900 psi, it cuts off the flow. So you can just keep passing through and it won't spit at any point. Brew, we don't have to prime it at a very high pressure. See how the first pressure setting pretty much here is just prime. It's really slow. If we go above that, it's fast flush, which is by far the quickest way to clean the unit out after you spray any water-based paint. So here, this will be just jogging through very slowly. And we'll fill this. So what I'll put it on fast flush anyway to get. That's pretty much it. We only need a good 4 or 5 litres to flush out all that storage material. Yep. But it's essentially priming it, so getting enough material on the pump first before I flick the direction of spray onto the gun itself. Because if you don't prime it well enough before you flick it over, often you'll get pressure inconsistencies, we'll get like air in the line as well, so it'll pulsate. So the whole purpose of this drain tube is, well, one, when you're priming, it's going to flush it out instead of going through the line. And if it ever over-pressurizes for whatever reason, it's actually a fail-safe and it'll always evacuate air through the drain tube. Always remember, down's for prime, because I'm wanting it to go that way. When I put it in the spray, I'm always going to be spraying forward. We get some paint going through the prime levels. I'll put that back against the main tube there. Put it in the spray, handle down into a waste pail, and I'll be running this until I get material through.